Developer productivity tools versus plugins. Which one is better for engineering output? Engineering teams are constantly looking for ways to get more done without burning out, but many struggle to choose between developer productivity tools and IDE plugins. Most people get this wrong, thinking they're interchangeable, but they serve very different purposes. Developer productivity tools are standalone platforms designed to improve workflow across projects and teams. They include task management, code review, dashboards, and collaboration features. For example, tools like Jira or linear boards help engineers track work, visualize bottlenecks, and prioritize tasks efficiently. These tools give a broad view of project health, making it easier to coordinate complex development efforts and reduce context switching. IDE plugins, on the other hand, enhance the coding environment directly. They integrate into the developer's IDE to provide features like code completion, linting, debugging helpers, or automated testing. Think of a plugin that highlights potential bugs as you type or suggests optimized code snippets. These plugins improve individual efficiency, speed up coding, and reduce repetitive tasks. The surprising truth: developer productivity tools help teams work smarter collectively, while IDE plugins make individual engineers faster. Alone, each adds value, but together they maximize output. A developer can use a productivity tool to plan and track tasks while leveraging plugins to write higher quality code faster. So which is better for engineering output? If the goal is team alignment and project velocity, productivity tools take the lead. If the focus is speeding up coding and reducing errors, IDE plugins shine. The most effective engineering organizations use both, combining strategic planning with tactical execution. In conclusion, boosting engineering output isn't about choosing one or the other, it's about integration. Developer productivity tools keep projects on track, and IDE plugins make engineers more efficient day to day. Together, they create a system where both teams and individuals can thrive, delivering faster, higher quality software without burnout.